everyone, this is Ina with innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today is another green recipe for you. It's a pistachio latte. It's one of my favorite lately things to drink. It's perfect. And I have to say, if you ever had in Starbucks, it's so unhealthy. They use so many bad ingredients in their pistachio syrup. And I want to show you how to make from scratch, from beginning to end, delicious and most important, nutritious pistachio latte. Most important ingredient for latte, beside coffee, of course, iced coffee, we need pistachio milk and pistachio syrup. It's something called pistachio cream. I live in small town and it's hard to find, and I'm sure I would not like ingredients, the one is on the market. So I make my own pistachio cream and it's so easy. I will show you how to make. All you need shelled pistachio, make sure it's raw pistachio, and all you need just to soak overnight, or at least 4 or 5 hours, I would say. You need, and we're going to make pistachio milk. Another ingredients we need for pistachio cream, we need to have some pistachio butter, some cocoa butter, which is it's a good quality. If you cannot find cocoa butter, look for good quality white chocolate. That's what it is. It's a cocoa fat basically. And we add a little bit just for the brightness of color, matcha powder. You can skip, it's not necessary, and honey as a sweeteners. And milk, that's what we need for the cream. And let's do it. In order to make pistachio milk, just like any nut milk, we need to sift the soaked water. And add nuts to your food processor or your blender cup. That's what I'm using today, blender cup. I like to add a little bit of honey, just a little, maybe 1 tablespoon. I like to add usually a little bit of water and then dilute with water later on, like half cup or so. Oh yeah, it's very thick, we'll need more water. It's beautiful puree. For this recipe, obviously you can use any milk of your choice, but since it's pistachio latte, so besides the pistachio cream, I like to use pistachio milk as well, just to highlight more pistachio flavor. Look how melting and getting beautiful color. At this point we can add tiny bit of matcha just to highlight even more greenish green, but not a lot. We want pistachio to dominate as a flavor. Just tiny bit, like 1/4 of teaspoon. Oh yeah, it's getting green. Look how beautiful this. I'll let simmer for another 1-2 minutes just to even more thicken up. But you watch close to your consistency. As soon as the sauce looks right to you, you don't want thicker, take it. Okay. I think it's perfect. Pistachio milk. And now that's all you need. You need frozen coffee cubes, which is I freeze this morning. I make strong coffee and I fill out, or you can make in the espresso machine if you have. I just make strong in my coffee press and I freeze it. But before, I like to add a little bit of this beautiful pistachio syrup. Then we add frozen coffee cubes. And now pour pistachio milk. And by the way, I'm using my husband's new company cup called Vieira Cabinetry. And if you like to check him out, here's his business card. And I like to pour a little bit more additional pistachio cream. If you're a fan of iced coffee, this pistachio latte will be one of your favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I encourage you how to make everything delicious, nutritious from scratch. Do not buy any pistachio cream or really anything. All you need is just a bowl of pistachio, and you can make pistachio butter from scratch. You can make pistachio cream, and also enjoy this delicious, refreshing drink. Full recipe will be in the description below. Similar, related. Bye. See you next time.